Deutsches Auto Service Center is a fully equipped, state-of-the-art automotive workshop located in Dubai Al Quoz 3. We offer high-level service and maintenance on all high-end European vehicles, such as Mercedes Benz, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Range Rover, BMW, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Mini, and VAG-Group. Our price strategy is based on the set time and service and repair protocols. This strategy is used to charge a flat rate for repairs, no matter how long the actual repair takes. This is a good thing for consumers. There will be no overcharging. Our service is considered the most competitive and cost-effective alternative to the dealer. We believe there is no reason why our customers should have to pay more than necessary. That's why at DAScenter we use OEM parts when available. Our price is the most competitive on the market and a cost-effective alternative to dealerships. Our center has access to all the latest software and hardware updates directly from manufacturers across Europe, allowing us to offer complete technical support on almost all European vehicles. At DAScenter, we have the solutions to all your car repair requirements, from a minor service to a complete engine overhaul. We strive to provide quality service at an affordable price. We have served over 6,000 customers with our 10,000 square foot workshop with over 14 well-equipped work bays. We pride ourselves in delivering the best to our clients, and it shows in our reviews online. We focus on creating long-term relationships, which has led to us being well established in the industry. Whether it be a quick vehicle inspection or an engine overhaul, our skilled team are here to assist. Book an appointment with us today by clicking the button below. For more information about our European car services, check out our website.